Okay, hello everyone. So I'm here with the one more time with the set Python data structure part 2. And here we are going to discuss all about the important functions or methods related to set. First, we will start with the add. Okay. So basically, for example, if I write s equal to curly bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30 curly bracket, and if I write s dot add, and if I write for example 50, okay, and then if I write print, so as I said, we will get the answer or random order, and it will be like 50 is now added in s. So that is nothing but how you can use add. The second one is the update. Update is also nothing but just to add, but there is difference between add and update. Okay, so basically you can write update in many ways. So I will use the same actually as equal to 10, 20 and 30. Then suppose I have one list, okay, which consists of some numbers 25, 30 and 35 for example. So that is nothing but my list. And then if I write s dot update, and I am writing the list variable name actually, okay, and then if I write print s, so you all can see I am getting 35, 10, 20, 25, 30, and you all can see 30 is there two times, but it is showing only one time because obviously set cannot store duplicate elements. That is the one point. But second, that is very important point, that if you write s dot update, and you, as I said, the major difference is one difference is like add can have only one element as a parameter. This one element. Update we can have a multiple elements, but you have to write iterable object value only. That means if I write 10 comma 20 comma 30 something like this in the update bracket, it will give me an error because integer object is not iterable. So what to do? Which are the iterable object? So iterable objects are nothing but list, range. These are iterable object. So same thing if I write s dot update, and inside this round bracket if I write list, and if I write 10 comma 20 comma 70 comma 80 something like this, now if I press enter and if I write print s, so now you all can see all the elements are added now. So just remember one thing, that difference between add function and update is, first point, we can use add for the individual element, okay, and we can use update for multiple elements. The add will takes only one argument, where update will take any number of argument, but only point is that all should be iterable objects, okay. And you can also use range also if you want. You can use range also, something like this update, and suppose you are writing range function and you are writing range from 25 comma 30, and with the step count of 1 for example, and then if I write print and if I write s, so you all can see all the numbers are there now, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. It will go till 29, but 30 is already there in our previous set, okay. Then the next is the copy function. It is nothing but just to it is like a clone object, you can say. This will return a copy of the set. So if I write s1 is equal to s dot copy function, okay, and then if I write print and if I write s1, I will get same thing only, okay. But only thing is here we are getting everything in the random order, okay. As I said, indexing and slicing is not possible. So here also if I use s dot pop function, okay, so obviously it is going to print any random number. It is going to remove any random number, not necessary to remove first or last. Again I am writing, see, and then print s. So now we are getting 10, 80, 20, 25 and all that things. So pop will remove and return also random elements. Then we have a remove function. Okay. So basically if I say s dot remove, and you have to specify the element also, for example 80. Okay. And then if I say print and if I say s, so you all can see now 80 is not part of that. So pop does not accept any parameter. Remove, you have to specify the element and it will remove. Okay. And if the specified element is not present in the list, then you will find key error. For example, s dot remove, and I am writing 88. Okay, something like this. You will get the key error. And next, that is the third one. That is also one more way to remove. That is discard. So I am writing s dot discard, and I am interested in removing, for example, 20. And then if I write print s, so you all can see it is showing me 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, 30. So now what is the difference between remove and discard? See, in remove, if you try to remove the element which is not present in the list, then obviously we are getting error message, key error. But same thing if I write with the discard, that is s dot discard and 88. See, we are not getting any error. After this, again, if you will type print s, you will get the same answer. That is the above one. This answer and this answer both are same. But only thing is when it comes to discard, we will not get any error. The next is the clear function. So I'm writing clear function. Take comment. So obviously the basic meaning of clear is to clear everything. So if I write s dot clear and function, and if I write print and if I write s, so you all can see now this set is empty. Then obviously we know some mathematical operation. So for example, x equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, that is one set. Y is equal to again 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. And if you want to do union operation, then you can write print x dot union with y. Okay, so you can see only the elements. Okay, not the duplicate elements, only the unique element it is showing. Then the same way we can have a intersection also. So I will write same thing, but instead of union, now I will write intersection. So we are getting the elements which are there in both the set x as well as y. And here you can use AND operator symbol also, like print and x ampersand y will get the same answer, that is 40 and 30. So you can use the operator also if you want to use. And third one, it is a difference function. So first of all, in comment I am writing difference. So now what is the use of difference function? This will return the element present in x but not in y. Like we will take simple one more, same thing, only x will remain same and y will also remain same. What I am writing over here is print, I will write x dot and I will write difference and difference with y. So you all can see we are getting answer as what, 10, 20. Means it will remove the common element of x and y and only the element present in x, it will print that. Okay, but for example, you can use operator sign also, print x minus y. Instead of writing that difference, you can write print x minus y. Again, you will get the same answer only, 10, 20. But if I write in reverse order, print y minus x, so obviously it will print the value of y but not in x, reverse. So in our case, we will get 50 and 60 as answer for this. See. So that is all about union, intersection, and difference. Then we have one more thing which is called as a symmetric difference. Okay. So symmetric difference, directly I will write print command and I will write x dot and I will write the spelling of symmetric. Okay. And then we have to use underscore sign and then I will write the spelling of difference and I want to do difference with y. So here this will return the element present in either x or y, but not in both. Okay, so this is 1020 from x and 5060 from y, not the common elements 3040. Same way you can use the operator sign also, print x and this one sign and y. Okay, you will get the same answer. So that is the symmetric, you can say. And also if you are interested in checking particular thing is there or not in the given set, okay, like for example print, okay, and I will write suppose in x we have 10 20 30 40, this is the set, okay, and if I write print and if I write 10 in and our set name is x, okay, so if it is there, we will get answer as what, true. Same way print 60 in x, we are getting answer as false. So that is all about all the important methods of set and everything. So thank you everyone.